In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide frames in Miro in 2025. Miro is one of the most popular digital whiteboard platforms, offering a collaborative space for teams to brainstorm, plan, and create together. However, there are times when you might want to declutter your board by temporarily hiding frames that are not in use. Let's walk through the steps to do just that. First, let's get started by navigating to Miro.com. Open up your preferred web browser, type in the URL, and press enter. This will lead you to Miro's homepage, which is the doorway to all your projects and boards. Once you're on the homepage, your next move is to click on the Login button. You should find this option easily available near the upper right corner of the page. This step is crucial for accessing your saved boards and all the content within them. Now, if you haven't done so already, it's time to sign in. You have the flexibility of using either your email or your Google account. Choose whichever option is more convenient for you. Enter your credentials and follow any on-screen prompts to complete the login process. If you're signing in with your email, click on Continue with Email. This button is usually the most straightforward choice if you're not using a social account. Simply type in your email address and password and press any additional buttons as required to proceed. With your login complete, it's now time to head over to your board. Begin by clicking on your board, which you'll find listed on your Miro dashboard. Here you can see all the projects you've been working on or are planning to tackle. Find the board you need and click to open it. Now that your board is open, you'll want to select the specific frame you intend to manage. Your boards may consist of multiple frames representing different sections or thoughts. Navigate through your board and click on the frame you want to hide. A frame in this context acts as a holder for multiple elements like images, text, or sticky notes, helping to keep your thoughts organized. Once you've clicked on the frame, keep an eye out for the eye icon. This small icon represents the visibility toggle for your selected frame. By clicking on the eye icon, you effectively hide the frame from view, allowing you to focus on other areas of your board. This feature can be a great way to manage the visual real estate of your workspace, especially during collaborative sessions or presentations. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to hide frames in Miro. This useful trick can help streamline your workspace and make navigation within your projects much more efficient. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful for your future Miro endeavors.